for the last few months, I've been putting a new balloon inflator that I bought through its paces, and I'm going to share with you now what I think of this balloon pump. And no spoilers, but I absolutely love it. It is a precision balloon pump. You can inflate balloons to exactly the same size, a standard size. You can program it, set the size, and both sides inflate to the same size. You can also program the nozzles independently. So I'm going to show you this pump, this inflator, in a bit more detail and walk you through the key features. And I'll leave a link below to where you can actually purchase this CD-608 precision balloon pump. I'm so impressed with how quickly this machine inflates. It is far quicker than the other digital inflator I have. It's a very sturdy machine and I don't get any kind of vibration off it. The other digital inflator I have, it does vibrate a lot, and if you've got any kind of hand sensitivity, carpal tunnel syndrome, anything like that, then you're very sensitive to vibrations, and I don't get any vibration off this. I find it very easy to use. I like the fact that you can control each outlet independently, which is very unusual and very useful, and it is incredibly affordable compared to other digital inflators on the market. You've got your on-off switch here, and then your displays light up here. So you've got a counter here for the number of balloons that you're inflating, and then on either side here you can program each nozzle. So you can program the nozzles, the outlets, to have different sizes, so you don't have to inflate the balloons to one size. So you could inflate to 8 inches on this side and 4 inches on the other side if you wanted to. If you want them the same size, then just set the display here to the size that you want. You are going to have to calibrate the machine. You don't get any kind of standard sizes. So to begin with, it's a little bit of trial and error. So you use the plus buttons and the minus buttons to reduce the time that the air is being expelled through these outlets. If you want a bigger balloon, then you increase the time and that will inflate the balloon more. If you want to inflate the balloon less, then you use the minus button. To inflate, you press the green button, or you can use the foot pedal, this treadle switch, which plugs in to the back here. To inflate 2 balloons to the same size, set the timer on each side to the number required. Put both balloons on the nozzle and then just press the green button. One thing I particularly like about this pump is that you can inflate balloons to different sizes. So you can inflate a larger balloon on this side at the same time as a small balloon on this side, which is unusual for digital pumps. So I'm just going to reduce the size here on this size and then inflate. That's a really handy feature. You've got these 2 little rods for if you want to double stuff balloons, and you just screw those in there. If you wanted to change the colour of a balloon, for example, to create a different colour combination, you can just put another balloon over the top, and you can double stuff those balloons really easily and really quickly with these 2 rods. I'm in the UK, so I had to buy an adapter to make this work. You just push that in there, and then snap it shut, and then you just screw that down. and you're in business. The only downside with this machine is that it doesn't inflate twisting balloons. But if you're wanting a precision digital inflator for decor, this is a fabulous piece of equipment, and it is very, very affordable. I think you will be very pleasantly surprised. So I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find more details, including prices, and where you can buy this machine.